Today's lesson is basic parts of Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a fantastic program from Microsoft Office that helps you create all sorts of documents like letters and brochures. Here are the basic parts of MS Word. 1. Quick Access Toolbar. 2. Title bar. 3. Ribbon. 4. Document window. 5. Status bar. 6. Scroll bar. 7. Cursor. Quick Access Toolbar. It is a customizable toolbar at the top of your active document. By default, the Quick Access Toolbar shows the Save, Undo, and Repeat buttons, making it super convenient for you to easily access your favorite commands. Title bar. A horizontal bar positioned at the top of an active document, which displays the name of the document. Ribbon. An area across the top of the screen that makes almost all the capabilities of Microsoft Word available in a single area. Document window displays the content of a document. It is a container within an application where you can view and edit text, images, or any other type of data. Status bar displays information about the current document and its properties. It displays information about what page you're on, as well as your line number on the page and the character number on the line. Scroll bars allows you to view entire workbook by moving it up, down, left, or right. A horizontal scroll bar enables the user to scroll the content of a window to the left or right. A vertical scroll bar enables the user to scroll the content up or down. Cursor. It is the position indicator on a computer display screen where a user can enter text.
One more time.
Quick Access Toolbar. Title bar. Ribbon. Status bar. Document window. Scroll bars. Cursor.
Your turn.
Quick Access Toolbar. Title bar. Ribbon. Status bar. Document window. Scroll bars. Cursor.
Now, get a piece of paper to write your answer. You may pause the video if you need more time.
Question 1. Title bar. Question 2. Cursor. Question 3. Ribbon. Question 4. Document window. Question 5. Status bar. Question 6. Quick access toolbar. Question 7. Scroll bars.